Hello, my name is Judge Dweynie Esther Paul, and I'm a candidate for Kings County Surrogate Court. Surrogate Court is a place where we go when our loved ones pass away, whether they had a will or they didn't. And we ensure that everything that they worked hard for, all of their assets, get from one generation to the next. And so as a candidate, I am here to fight to preserve our family's legacy, because I understand intimately what it means for one generation to start from very humble beginnings and the next generation to have a head start in life. In Surrogate's Court, we also have guardianships of minors and guardianships of those who are disabled, who have developmental disabilities. And so my goal is to protect our most vulnerable population through guardianships. We also do adoptions. And with adoptions, I'll have the ability to strengthen our community and unify our families through granting of adoptions. I've been a judge since 2015, where I started in family court. My election was in 2015. In family court, I fought to preserve and protect our families through domestic violence cases, through guardianships, adoptions. And I also had the opportunity to assign counsel to our families when they needed it. I monitored the work that those attorneys did and ensured that their work product was in the best interest of the family and the child that was before me. I'm going to take that same work ethic with me to Surrogate's Court. I've worked in tremendous ways to bring resources and legal programs to the community because I understood intimately what it meant for my neighbors, for my parents who are immigrants, came to this country from Haiti. I understood what it meant for them to not have access to information and resources. And so as the Director of Community Service for the Metropolitan Black Bar Association, I put together countless programs and started the annual Community Law Day. That is the type of judge that you need on the bench, someone who sees the community first. I am the people's surrogate. I'm going to ask for your support on June 22nd to elect me, Judge Paul, that's Judge Dweynie Esther Paul, P-A-U-L, for surrogate. So it is very important that you vote. And oftentimes we consider the presidency, we consider the mayor or the governor or the city council. But it is tremendously important that you focus in and elect the right judge, because although the legislature writes the laws, it's the judge that's there to enforce it and to implement it. So please, on this election, June 22nd, take the time to go through the ballot and look for the judges. Look for Judge Paul and vote for me, Judge Paul for surrogate, June 22nd. It's a countywide seat, so every part of Brooklyn is involved. Whether you live in Coney Island, Sheepshead Bay, whether you live in Williamsburg or Bushwick, Judge Paul's name will be on the ballot. So vote for me for surrogate, June 22nd. Thank you.